And yeah, so he's now cleaning the table basically. This table is usually a little bit bigger, but for the show, yeah, we have this here.
We'll work with.
It's actually it takes like 5 minutes, and out of these 5 minutes, the most part is preparation. So yeah, the actual putting it in is something like 2 seconds, 3 seconds.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a sterile drape, and we take his hand and put it on there. Now, it's important not to contaminate the surface, so he's not going to move it around. Get everything prepped and dropped onto the sterile field.
We have some lights here. Is that enough for you?
Yes. Not that old yet.
Get a candle out.
I am
Make
waiting.
it romantic.
I'm waiting for cyborg eyes. That's for sure.
Yeah.
There's a company in BBC in BC, Vancouver, BC, and they're working on a new lens implant that I'm waiting for.
Ooh.
So better than 20/40 vision for the rest of your life.
So I have to ask, am I in the splash zone, or am I okay to
No, it's going that way.
It's going to go that way.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
So basically, he's Amal is like protecting himself now. These are non-sterile gloves to protect himself of my blood.
Yeah,
if there's in some cases you'll have some blood, and others usually you don't have blood. Then he's gonna make the area sterile, like now.
So this is a chlorhexidine ampule. It's got antiseptic in it, essentially. And we do a nice cleaning session.
Ooh. Ooh.
You know, if you don't scream, everybody's going to be really disappointed.
It's really underwhelming.
I hope I'm not fainting. 1 in 100 person is fainting. At least from my experience.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
1 in 100.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
wow.
bad.
Do you do a lot of people who've been drinking? Events, things like that?
Well, no, especially when you have a very, very low blood pressure,
Yeah.
like sports people. Yeah, then sometimes it should, but even that is something normal. You know, you have something like a little puncture, and so your blood moves toward that, and it misses in the brain, and you just pass out.
So we're waiting for chlorhexidine to dry and take effect. It's about 60 seconds for full effectivity.
We rather wait. So this is like a low frequency RFID tag. I have like others. There's a high frequency. Actually, we are at the moment in what's it called, White City. In the college, it's like a high-tech building, but their security system is really like low-tech. And so what we do is putting our, how do you call it, like employee badge,
Yeah.
and we're just copying onto our hand. So that's.
We did that. We did that when we worked at the research institute.
Yeah.
It was great.
Ready?
Well, yeah. So you're gonna go feral there.
Yep.
Here.
So.
Oops. Oh shit.
Oh.
Jesus.
I'm dying here before I.
The danger is the stage here. All right. Breath in. Out. In. Out. And we're done.
That's it. I'm triple